what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today I'll have all the best enchants for the study world in Roblox Fish. So let's go ahead and see what's best enchants are for the study rod and Roblox Fish. So to get started, go ahead and open Fish on your device. Head over to the shipwright since you need to spawn a boat. Now on your boat, make your way over the keepers. Once you guys go ahead and make your way over the statue, simply want to hop off your boat and you want to make your way up to these ladders. And through this place, keep in mind you will have to buy a token for 400 credits, so keep that in mind that you also need an enchant relic. I only recommend using the 3 to 4 enchant relics for the study rod. Do not waste your enchant relics on the study rod. Save them up for something better like the rod of the devs or the trident or the mythical rod. Some endgame rods, guys. You don't want to waste too many enchant relics to the study rod, but anyways, let's go ahead and teleport into the keepers. Once you guys have made your way into the keepers outer, you have to be here at night. Keep that in mind. You will need yourself an enchant relic. Once you have all of that down, guys, the best enchants for the study rod are going to be the hasty, abyssal, and divine enchants. Good enchant for the road is going to be swift or quality. So if you end up getting swift or quality in 2 to 3 attempts, I recommend keeping it in a solid enchant. Something that's not too bad is going to be storming and breed. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.